Living in a bustling city like Washington, D.C. can be exciting, but the constant noise from traffic, construction, and street activities can sometimes make it difficult to find peace and quiet in your own home. Whether you're looking to create a more peaceful living space, improve focus in a home office, or simply escape the constant din of urban life, windows and doors play a crucial role in noise reduction. In this article, we'll explore how Washington, D.C. windows and doors can help reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter and more comfortable environment in your home. We'll also discuss the types of windows and doors that are best suited for noise reduction and offer tips on how to maximize their effectiveness. Understanding noise pollution in Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. is a vibrant, dynamic city with a lot of activity. From the constant flow of traffic to the sounds of pedestrians, street vendors, and even occasional protests, noise pollution can be a constant issue for homeowners. For those living near busy roads, highways, or commercial districts, external noise can easily seep into the home, affecting your daily life and well-being. Traffic and street noise. The noise from passing cars, buses, and trucks can easily penetrate poorly insulated windows and doors, disturbing your peace. The louder the external noise, the harder it becomes to create a quiet, restful atmosphere inside. Construction and urban sounds. In Washington, D.C., with its continuous construction and urban development, noise from building projects, machinery, and public transportation can become a persistent disruption. Reducing the impact of this noise is essential for improving your quality of life, and windows and doors are your first line of defense. How windows and doors help with noise reduction. Both windows and doors contribute to your home's soundproofing by acting as barriers between your indoor living spaces and the external environment. Modern noise-reducing windows and doors are specifically designed to block out unwanted sound, providing a quieter indoor space. Windows and noise reduction. Double or triple pane windows. One of the most effective ways to reduce noise in your home is by installing double pane or triple pane windows. These windows have 2 or 3 layers of glass with an insulating gas layer in between, which acts as a barrier to sound transmission. The additional layers of glass absorb and dampen sound waves, reducing the amount of noise that passes through. Laminated glass. Another excellent option for noise reduction is laminated glass, which consists of 2 layers of glass with a plastic layer in between. The plastic layer absorbs sound waves, significantly reducing noise transmission. Laminated windows are particularly effective in areas with high traffic or near airports, where the noise levels are higher. Low-E coatings. While low-E coatings are primarily known for enhancing energy efficiency, they also help to reduce noise by adding another layer of protection against external sounds. The coating helps in soundproofing by improving the acoustic performance of your windows. By choosing double or triple pane windows or laminated glass, you can reduce the amount of external noise entering your home, making your living space more peaceful. Doors and noise reduction. Solid core doors. When it comes to doors, choosing solid core doors can greatly enhance noise reduction. Unlike hollow core doors, which allow sound to pass through more easily, solid core doors are made from dense materials, providing better insulation against both noise and temperature fluctuations. Weather stripping and seals. Even if you install high-quality soundproof windows, the gaps around your doors can still let noise in. Weather stripping and tight seals around your doors are essential for blocking sound. Ensuring that there are no gaps around the edges of your doors will create a more effective barrier against external noise. Multi-layer doors. For those seeking extra soundproofing, multi-layer doors, such as those with an internal soundproofing material, provide superior noise reduction. These doors are engineered with multiple layers of material designed to absorb and block sound, making them ideal for homes in noisy neighborhoods. By replacing your current doors with solid core or multi-layer doors and ensuring proper weather stripping, you can further enhance your home's ability to block out unwanted noise. Additional tips for maximizing noise reduction. While upgrading your windows and doors is the most effective way to reduce noise, there are several other steps you can take to further enhance the soundproofing of your home. Add window treatments. Heavy curtains or drapes made of thick fabrics can help absorb sound, providing an additional layer of noise reduction. Specialized soundproof curtains are designed to block out more noise and prevent sound from echoing within your home. Use rugs and carpets. Hardwood floors and tile can amplify noise, while rugs and carpets can absorb sound and help create a quieter environment. Adding these soft materials to your home can complement the noise reduction provided by your windows and doors. Seal gaps and cracks. Make sure to check for any gaps or cracks around your windows and doors. Even small gaps can let in unwanted sound. Use caulk or foam sealant to fill any gaps and ensure that your windows and doors are properly sealed. The benefits of noise reduction in your Washington, D.C. home. Upgrading your windows and doors to improve noise reduction offers a range of benefits for Washington, D.C. homeowners. Better sleep and rest. Noise can interfere with sleep quality, especially if you live in a busy area. Reducing noise levels can lead to better rest, improved health, and a more peaceful home environment. Enhanced focus and productivity. If you work from home or need a quiet space for studying, noise reduction is key. A quieter environment helps improve concentration, making it easier to focus and be productive. Increased property value. Homes with noise-reducing features, such as modern windows and doors, can be more attractive to buyers. Investing in soundproofing can add value to your property, especially in urban areas like Washington, D.C. Conclusion. In a city like Washington, D.C., where external noise can be constant and disruptive, installing noise-reducing windows and doors is an effective way to create a more peaceful and comfortable living space. Whether you choose double or triple pane windows, laminated glass, solid core doors, or weather stripping, each upgrade helps block out unwanted sound, improving your home's overall ambiance. Not only will these upgrades enhance your comfort, but they will also increase your home's value, offering long-term benefits that are well worth the investment.